Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Mcobeauty Advent Calendar, which I'm so excited about. This is a 12-day calendar, and I think this was like $60 or something, so let's just get into it. I'm going to sit it down because it's got like everything on the back, and I'm trying really hard not to read it, so I'm going to sit it down here. We're not going to look at any spoilers, and we're just going to get straight into it. This is one of the first calendars where like I genuinely have no idea what's in it. I think I know like maybe one or two things, but anyway, let's just go day one. Cute. So day one, we have a little Golden Glow lip oil. Are these exclusive to the calendar or what? This is a mini one, but it smells really nice. I've got a couple of these, but not the Golden Glow one. So yeah, I don't know if they're exclusive or what, but this is like a little mini one. It's super cute. Day two, we have a beauty sponge. That's day two. I understand in like a bigger calendar, but a 12-day calendar. There better be some good stuff in here, MCO. Alright, day three is next. Oh, this is exciting. It looks like everything in here is minis, to be honest. But this is one of their Perfect Power lip liners. This one is in the shade Cheeky Chat. Oh my god, it looks so small. But I wondered like how much product there actually is in here. But anyway, that's how it looks there. Super cute. And it looks like a really nice shade as well. So that's exciting. Day four. Day four, we have the eye pencil in the shade Black. So it's just like a kind of like kohl eyeliner type of thing. That's how it looks there. Day five. Day five is the Mega Balm in Peach. That smells really nice actually. So it's just like a little lip balm. Looks like that. Cute. Day six. Okay, day six we have a scrunchie. And it looks like there's little rhinestones like glued on it. So that's day six. Day seven is next. Oh, this is exciting. This is one of their little hot plumps. I think this is meant to be like a dupe of the Fenty one, and this one is in the shade Fancy. Oh, that smells quite nice. I don't know what scent it is, but yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Once again, it is a little mini, but anyway, that looks there. Super cute. Okay, day eight. We just have the absolute tiniest, smallest little powder puff. And like, I feel like I should be mad because I feel like this is like, but it's so cute that I literally cannot be mad at it. Look at it, it's so small. Like, it's tiny. I don't know, it's really cute, so I kind of like it. Okay, day nine. Okay, so these mustn't be exclusives because I've got this like, not in the advent calendar. This is the Glow Lip Balm in Watermelon, and I actually really like this. It's a really, really nice product. Obviously I'm not going to open this one because I've already got my own. Smells so good, but yeah, I do really like this. And obviously this is just a real little mini. But that is a nice product to have in there. So. Day 10. This is the Dreamy Lip Tint Hydrating Gel in Nude Rose. This actually looks quite nice. I don't think I've tried one of these yet. I don't know why I smelled it. I thought it might have a smell, but it doesn't. I really like the packaging of these. Like, I feel like the soft matte is really nice. That's the shade there. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel like that's looks nice. Day 11, so second last day, we have the Magic Wand Hair and Brow Magic Wand. So this is obviously meant to be like a little slick sticky type of thing. So that's that there. Okay, on to our last day. Cute, we've got a little mini of the Super Glow Bronzing Drops. I have these as well, like in the full size, so that's cute. So let's get there. I don't know how to feel, if I'm being honest. I don't know why I had such high expectations for this one. Like, I thought that this was going to be like really great, and I don't know if it is that great. Like, I don't know, I was just so excited when I saw these come out. I was like, oh my god. And then yeah, I don't know, it's just not my favourite. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because everything's super tiny. I feel like these type of things is like, come on, like I feel like it's just a bit, doesn't even look like you can honestly get it anywhere anymore now. I'm trying to like find like to read about it, and I can't even find that, which is annoying because I feel like it wasn't really like around for that long, you know. It sold out quite quick. Apparently it's meant to be coming out at Woolworths as well, so I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, so I paid like $59 for it. Like, I know it's not that much to pay, but I just feel like, I don't know, I just wish I could have, Like the minis I understand, like I'm like, yeah, fine, like that's fine. But the little scrunchie and stuff like that, I'm just like, come on girl, like you can do a bit better than that. And I actually really quite like Mcobeauty. I feel like they've got some really cool things. And I feel like that's why I had such high hopes for this. So anyway, let me know down below what your thoughts are, if you thought this one was good, if you thought like, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!